Now, blues and boogie have a lot in common, so I want to show you a little boogie today. So, boogie has a lot of different forms on piano, and a lot of times you find this kind of train track motion with the 1 and the 5 and the major 6. Little chromatic walk. And you notice I skipped the flat 2. I just went straight to the 2 to walk it up to 4, because what I really wanted to do was walk from 2 to 4 and leave that note out of it. So sometimes you'll see that walk happen. But when you do boogie, you can do that. Sometimes people do double hits. Same note combination. It's like that train. Ba-ba, choo-choo. What am I doing here? I'm walking, in essence, what would be all major scale. I'm walking through the 3rd, which is like a little chromatic run here, as I just did in the left hand. But I'm not hitting the 4. 5, 6, and 1. It's this bounce, though. It kind of has a swing to it, and you just got to feel it. Now, I just followed with my fingers, both hands. I could also go however complicated you want to get it, but the idea is you're moving up to 4 from 1 and walking this chromatically in either hand or in both hands. So using the boogie with the 7, using it with just the 6, that's kind of that boogie position for single hits or double hits. The other one is your octave. So you can use your octave in a lot of different ways. I like to do that little bounce, maybe walk up chromatically to it, or anything is going to really work. I try to break it up because I'm at a place where I'm looking for different things to do on a level of percussion. But here's what I want you to do. I want you to walk that back up just like that. So when you get that going fast, I could go on for a long time, as I often do, but that's basically what I want you to look at with that octave. Now, that octave can also lead towards anything you want to frame in it, whether it's part of the major scale, the minor scale, the blues, whether it's a chord shape. Your hand stretching to that octave is really important. So I can bounce. It's endless. You can just walk all over, but chromatic makes it very forgiving. So I can play the blues scale while my left hand's going chromatic, and it somehow works. Because you're kind of moving in and out of the scale, and everything else becomes just a passing tone. But when I'm using that left hand as a boogie, I can really stomp with it, or I can hope you had fun. See you next time.